You mentioned legal reform. What type of legal reform are you thinking of? And would you push to alter the nonpartisan court plan?
The answer on altering the nonpartisan court plan is yes, I would. Because I think it's important that every citizen should have some input on who their judges are. The way the system works now, you've got unelected individuals that are making decisions on who our judges are. On the federal system, if there's a judge appointment, if I have a problem with it as a normal citizen, I can go to my United States Senator and say, I like this judge or I dislike this judge for this reason. I have voice in it. The system way it works now, we have no voice. And so as far as that goes, yes, I would be interested in doing that. On the legal reform, I think you have to look at what the courts have done, and I think we're going to look at employer legal reform that the House has passed before. It's something we're probably going to look at again.
Your predecessor standing over there, Ron Richard, had stood pretty firm on maintaining tax credits despite an effort in the Senate to change it. Are you going to take that position to not scale back business tax break incentives?
I'm not going to scale back to anything that benefits the state for economic growth and development. You know, I'm glad the Speaker's here because he was one of the leading people that architected the Quality Jobs Act. You know, a big reason why we're as competitive as we are is standing right there. At a time when we got 9.5% unemployment, when really it's probably higher than that because a portion of the people are no longer looking for work, you know, the first thing we need to do is do no harm. And, you know, if there's tax credits out there that we're not getting a good return on investment, then I'm more than willing to look at it. But last year, the governor submitted a proposal with 3 weeks left in the session. 2 weeks later, he changed it with another proposal, and his own Department of Economic Development director couldn't give us a list of the return on investment of the